mayroon na naman tayong special magic tricks guys. Pero bago nating umpisan guys, sana nasa mabuti tayong lahat sa kalagayan guys. Tanggalin ko muna yung dalawang joker guys. Itong walong files guys, yung top card niya guys, puro red guys. Red Ace, Red 2, Red 3, Red 4 guys. Umpisan natin dito sa Red Ace guys. Puro red 2 yung top card guys. Itong walong files guys. Red Ace, Red 2, Red 3, Red 4 guys. Buksan natin guys. The magician is always correct guys. Ngayon naman guys, yung bottom card niya guys, yung pinakailalim niya guys, puro black din guys. Black Ace, Black 2, Black 3, Black 4 guys. Umpisan natin dito sa Black 4 guys. Always correct the magician guys. Thank you for watching guys.